The internet has revolutionized how we learn. No longer confined to classrooms, education is at our fingertips. Online courses in particular have surged in popularity. They offer flexibility and accessibility for everyone. Learners can explore new skills, advance their careers, or pursue passions, all from the comfort of home. But like any digital content, online courses come with rules. There is a right way and a wrong way to access them. Downloading courses illegally might seem tempting, but it carries serious consequences. Just as we wouldn't steal a physical book from a store, we must respect intellectual property online. This guide will illuminate the path to legally downloading online courses. Learn how to access valuable educational content while respecting the creators who make it possible. Let's explore the vast universe of online learning together, ethically and responsibly. Embarking on a learning journey is exciting. It's like launching a spacecraft into the vast expanse of knowledge. But before you blast off, make sure you have the right fuel-legal access to educational content. Imagine you've discovered the perfect online course on astrophysics. You're eager to delve into the mysteries of black holes and supernovas, but wait, before you hit the download button, ensure you're doing it legally. Respecting intellectual property is paramount in the digital age. It's about valuing the hard work and dedication of educators who bring knowledge to our screens. By choosing legal downloads, we support their efforts and contribute to a fairer online learning environment. This guide will introduce you to platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, and edX. These platforms offer legal ways to download courses, providing offline access to valuable learning materials. Let's explore these platforms and equip you with the knowledge to download courses ethically and responsibly. Coursera stands as a beacon in the online learning cosmos. This platform partners with top universities and organizations worldwide. It offers a galaxy of courses spanning diverse fields, from data science to music theory. Coursera understands the needs of modern learners. Many courses provide the option to download lectures and materials. This feature is a game changer for those with limited internet access or busy schedules. Imagine you're an aspiring entrepreneur taking a business course on Coursera. You're on a long flight without Wi-Fi. No problem. With downloaded lectures, you can continue learning seamlessly, even at 30,000 feet. Coursera offers various subscription options, some of which include offline access. In the next section, we'll guide you through the process of downloading courses from Coursera step by step. Get ready to unlock a universe of knowledge available to you anytime, anywhere. Ready to download your first Coursera course? It's easier than navigating a spaceship through an asteroid field. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Launch your Coursera app. Make sure you have the latest version installed on your device. 2. Choose your course. Select the course you wish to download. Remember, not all courses offer offline access. Look for the download icon, a downward arrow, on the course page. 3. Navigate to the Downloads section. Once you've enrolled in the course, tap on the Downloads tab. 4. Select your download preferences. Choose the lectures or materials you want to download. You can usually download video and audio files, transcripts, and other resources. 5. Start the download. Tap the download icon next to each lecture or resource. You can monitor the download progress within the app. Voila! You've successfully downloaded your Coursera course. Now you can access your learning materials offline at your convenience. It's like having a personal library of knowledge in your pocket. Section 5. Your legal download destination awaits Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a non-profit organization with a noble mission to provide free world-class education for anyone, anywhere. It's like a vast, open library of knowledge accessible to all. Khan Academy's strength lies in its comprehensive library of educational videos. Covering subjects from mathematics to history to art, Khan Academy's videos are engaging and easy to understand. Imagine you're a student struggling with algebra. Khan Academy's videos provide step-by-step explanations and practice exercises. You can download these videos to your device and revisit them as many times as needed without relying on an internet connection. Khan Academy understands that learning happens everywhere, not just in classrooms. Their downloadable videos empower learners to study at their own pace, on their own terms. Section 6. Downloading from Khan Academy, a step-by-step guide. Downloading videos from Khan Academy is as simple as observing the constellations on a clear night. Here's your guide. First, install the Khan Academy app. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. Next, browse or search for your topic. Khan Academy organizes content by subject, so find the area you're interested in. Then select the video you want to download. Look for the download icon, which is a downward arrow below the video player. After that, choose your download quality. Select the video resolution that best suits your needs and internet connection. Finally, monitor the download. The video will download to your device and you can track the progress within the app. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded a Khan Academy video. Now you can learn offline at your own pace and revisit the material whenever you need a refresher. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. Section 7. Your legal download destination awaits edX. edX is another prominent player in the online learning galaxy. Founded by Harvard and MIT, edX offers high-quality courses from leading universities and institutions worldwide. Like its counterparts, edX recognizes the importance of offline access. Learners can download course materials, including videos, readings, and assignments. Imagine you're a working professional taking a coding course on edX. You have a busy schedule with limited free time. By downloading the course lectures, you can learn during your commute, on lunch breaks, or whenever you have a spare moment. edX offers both free and paid courses. Some paid courses include a verified certificate upon completion. Whether you're seeking personal enrichment or career advancement, edX provides a legal and accessible way to download and learn offline. Section 8. Downloading from edX, a step-by-step guide. Ready to download your first edX course? Follow these simple steps. First, download the edX app. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. Next, enroll in your chosen course. Browse through edX's catalog and select the course you want to download. Then, locate the download icon. Look for the download icon, a downward arrow, next to the video lectures or course materials. After that, start the download. Tap the download icon and the materials will be saved to your device. Finally, access your downloaded content. You can find your downloaded courses within the edX app, even when you're offline. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded an edX course. Now you can learn at your own pace without the constraints of internet connectivity. It's like carrying a world-class education in your backpack. Section 9. The Ethics of Education: Why Legal is the Only Way. Imagine launching a spacecraft into space using stolen fuel. It might seem like a shortcut, but it's ultimately a recipe for disaster. Illegally downloading courses is no different. It's stealing, plain and simple. When we download courses illegally, we're not just getting something for free. We're devaluing the hard work of educators, developers, and designers who poured their time and expertise into creating these courses. Think of it this way. If everyone downloaded courses illegally, there would be no incentive for creators to produce high-quality educational content. The well of knowledge would run dry. By choosing legal downloads, we support the creators and ensure that educational resources remain available for future generations. It's the right thing to do for ourselves and for the future of learning. Section 10. The Risks of Pirated Knowledge: Why Free Can Cost You. Illegally downloading courses might seem tempting. After all, who doesn't love free stuff? But like a black hole, what seems appealing from afar can be incredibly dangerous up close. Here's why. First, malware and viruses. Pirated websites are often riddled with malware and viruses that can infect your device and steal your personal information. Second, legal consequences. Downloading copyrighted content illegally can lead to hefty fines and even legal action. It's not worth the risk. Third, ethical implications. Supporting illegal downloads contributes to a culture of disrespect for intellectual property. Furthermore, pirated courses often lack the quality and support of their legal counterparts. You might encounter missing files, broken links, or outdated information. Think of it like this. Would you trust a spaceship built with stolen parts? Probably not. Similarly, relying on illegally downloaded courses is risky and unreliable. Section 11. Learn legally, empower yourself. In the vast universe of online learning, legal downloads are the stars that guide us towards knowledge and enlightenment. By choosing to access educational content legally, we embark on a journey of ethical and responsible learning. We empower ourselves with the knowledge that we've supported the creators who make these valuable resources possible, and we contribute to a fairer and more sustainable online learning environment for everyone. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a journey, not a race. Let's explore the cosmos of online learning together, ethically, responsibly, and legally. The universe of knowledge awaits.